Where does public banking exist? Have you ever wondered where public banking is making a difference in the world? Public banking exists in various forms across the globe, primarily as banks owned by government entities. These banks are designed to serve the public interest rather than focus on private profit. They are controlled by the public sector and aim to support local economies, provide affordable credit, and promote social and economic goals that align with community needs. In Germany, public banking has a rich history. The country boasts a well-established network of public banks, including the KfW, which is a state-owned development bank. This bank played a crucial role in Germany's reconstruction after World War II. Additionally, regional and local public banks have been around since the 19th century. Together, Germany's public banking sector represents a significant portion of the national banking system. New Zealand also has a unique approach to public banking. The country operates postal banks known as Kiwi banks. These banks serve communities nationwide, providing essential banking services to residents. Public banks account for about 40% of all banking worldwide, showcasing their importance in many economies. In the United States, the most notable example of a public bank is the Bank of North Dakota, established in 1919. This bank was created by a grassroots political movement known as the Nonpartisan League. The goal was to protect farmers and local businesses from exploitative private banks. The Bank of North Dakota is owned solely by the state and functions as a financial institution that deposits state revenues. It also makes loans to local businesses, farmers, students, and homeowners. By partnering with local private banks, it supports loans that are too large for them to handle alone, strengthening the local banking ecosystem. From a socialist perspective, public banking aligns with the principle of social ownership of key economic institutions. Public banks operate under government control to serve collective social and economic goals. They embody a model where financial resources are managed democratically to benefit the community. This reduces reliance on private capital and supports equitable development. Public banking can be seen as a practical application of socialism's emphasis on social ownership and democratic control of the financial sector. In summary, public banking exists in many countries and regions, including Germany, New Zealand, and the United States. These banks are owned by public entities and serve missions such as economic development and social equity. Public banking represents a form of social ownership that democratizes control over financial resources, ensuring they meet collective needs.